Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Midnight Ocean Breeze reverse stamping. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's manicure, I'm going to be starting out with Shady Navy as my base color. Then I'll be doing stamping with that, as well as Spyglass, Electric Sweetener, and Freezer Burn. For today's stamping, I'm going to be using the MoYouLondon Sailor Collection 07 plate. And you can do this one at a time, but since I have multiple stampers, I'm going to do multiple at a time and then start filling them in. I have a small lid that I'll be putting my polish out on, and I'm going to be starting with Spyglass. I'm going to be using a small brush, and I'm just going to go along and start filling in the design on all of the stampers. Once I've filled in all the stamps, I'm going to go ahead and start applying them to my nails. I'm going to be using just a very little bit of sticky base to make sure that they transfer well, and then I'm going to stamp them on. I was able to get a lot of the overhang just using an orange stick. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish cleanup using a Q-tip as well as a small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I was originally going to do this design with rainbows, but I decided to stick with cooler tones, and I really love how this combination turned out. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time to appreciate that shimmer, and if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, which also has some testing, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.